Cody, I'm gonna blame this on you too.
If I could fit, I'd do it.
Wait. I know the
for some reason, I have this bad feeling
What's LS5?
right here.
LS1 is the
Here.
regular 350 horsepower. Of course,
That these two
C5. They also put
gonna hook up. Because that's what happens.
Continue.
I could cry. My boyfriend's gonna hook up without assuming.
Continue.
Whatever.
They're talking about cars and they're getting all excited about it.
Really excited. There's been
Really,
multiple
they've been
hugs.
the hugs.
This is actually your fault.
That's a lot of pride.
Red
I'm
girl.
sorry. I didn't
Because-
know this would happen
350 horsepower one.
with.
LS2
You
is the
invited
06 from
them.
C5.
You see.
No, it's not.
So
Is it my fault, Danny?
it's your fault.
Was the 06 from the C5. Okay.
I should have seen this coming.
Dave and Buster, or not?
What? One Gun Midnight?
No, on midnight he plays that too. Shit.
What?
Oh my god.
I don't.
It's your horse. That damn derby game.
I don't play that. I
should go-
don't play that, and I actually don't play One Gun Midnight.
I even have a Japanese card in case I run into a Japanese machine.
What the shit? Where'd you get that?
AI, it's up north.
Yeah, this is such sadness.